Not even crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Noelle, and today we are going to be doing a try on haul. I have two packages. I have one from Pretty Little Thing, and then I have one from Glossier. So this is basically just like an unboxing. I've waited too long to open it, so if I'm not dedicated, I don't know what is. We shall be doing. I bought more pants than I bought shirts, but I just want to show you what I got. That hurt my neck. I hope the quality adds up. Oh, I don't like the material of that one already. So the first thing I'm gonna try on is this white bodysuit that is one shoulder. I wanted a regular white bodysuit for a minute, but I don't know. I decided to get something with a little more sass. I didn't know it would be this material though. The material's weird. Yeah, it's like a dressy type of material. This is cute. Pretty simple. And next we have a little puffy shoulder moment. I love these shirts. I think they look so cute. Kourtney Kardashian wears things like this all the time, and I think it looks so cute. Hopefully it fits my cheeks, like the cup. Puffy shoulders, the little corset thing. I hope this fits me. This is a size 4. It said 8. I was real confused. Cute! I like white more than black on me. For the other t-shirt, I got this, which I thought was so cute. This is a multi-tie-dye ribbed racer vest. It's not a vest, it's just a shirt. Super cute. You like this? This is super cute.
That's my bad.
Yeah, I got this in a size 2, I believe.
That's
no,
crazy.
This is a 4. This is so pretty. I love the colors. I feel like with a cream. Okay, the last and final shirt I got is just a basic little gray top. The rest are pants. This is the basic shirt that everyone has. Thought it was a sweater, but it actually just ties up right here with the 2 strings. This is a cute shirt.
It's super dark.
Super dotty. Ties right here at the front. You know, I got gray all on my face. And I got that one in a size 4. So I'm gonna show you these pants. These are mom jeans, and I only buy jeans, a lot of jeans. I've been buying a lot of jeans recently because I wear jeans to work and I can't wear anything else. The only problem is that I'm 5 feet. They're long. But this is a size 4. They're just regular dark wash mom jeans. Hopefully they fit me. Cute. Every day. I don't even like the dark wash ones, but the ones that are like the perfect color have a slit in the booty, and I can't wear that for work, so kind of dread. And they're just for work anyway, so it's not like it matters. And next I have these pants. These pants are so cute, I think. But these are the type of pants, like they either make your butt look bad or even worse. So, and I already have no butt, so I'm just scared. These are like vinyl pants, and they're probably so long.
Oh my god. I've been feeling for pants like that.
But these aren't the skinny ones. These are the big ones. And they have like ruching in the back. And they're big on the bottom. They sink like fish. I'm dead ass. Look at the back. I got this in a 4. But I think these are so cute. I love these. And these I got in a 6. These are the last and final pair. I love these too. These are kind of similar to those. These are just regular leather, but in the bottom, split. And I got these. So these I got in a size 6.
Oh, I hope those fit me. I hope they're too big on you here. Why you say yeah? I'm about to cut you with the box cutter.
No, I'm saying yeah, like that ass. But they might just stack too.
They do that.
Like when they're like wrinkled, stack.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, me too. So they're just regular leather leggings, I guess. No buttons at the top. It's just like an elastic, and then the bottoms they just have a cut, and then when you wear sneakers, it'll just like flare out in the bottom, and it's gonna look super cute. Next, I got these little. I don't even like wearing heels, but I wanted something for Easter. Easter's closed. Easter was canceled. My family like usually always goes out to eat, so I got like little white chunky heels. These are what they look like. I think these are so cute. I don't give up what nobody say. I don't give up what nobody say. these are what they look like. Super cute. And the details like snakeskin. These are so cute. And it's like not a big heel. I'm not a heel person, by the way. These are cute. And I would say they run true to size. I got a size bigger because if I had sandals and they fit me small, I'm just a clown. So, I don't know. They were 40 something, but... And then the last thing we have are Glossier things. So this is what the box looks like as soon as I open it up. We have a little pink plastic bag. And then we have this one. So I just ordered the jelly cleanser, the Milky Jelly Cleanser. And then I got the exfoliating skin perfector. But why the fuck is it in this? Man, dramatic. Exfoliating toner or whatever. And this is what the exfoliating solution looks like. I've tried once a day after cleansing. Press cotton pad on top of the dispenser and pump down to saturate. Sweep pad across face. Allow a moment for solution to absorb this into skin. Follow with moisturizer. Like a toner. But it's like exfoliating. Oh look, okay. In a poll of solution daily users, 3 out of 4 people said after 24 hours, skin felt cleaner and softer. They felt the solution working right away. After 1 week, skin looked smoother, brighter, and clearer. After 2 weeks, pores looked smaller and skin looked glowy. Solution reduced blackheads, including surrounding moles. After 3 weeks, solution unclogged pores and reduced redness. Skin looked more even. After 4 weeks, 3 out of 4 people said this was the solution they were looking for. Daily users with acne-prone skin, 2 out of 3 said solution solved their acne. And that's really all I need. I've used the Milk Jelly Cleanser before. My sister used to have it. And it actually does work for people with acne. As much as you think it's just like a minimalist type of cleanser, it actually works. Like it smooths out your skin and you might think that it's not cleaning, but it is. And it works really, really well. Guys, if you haven't watched All American, I don't even know what to tell you. All American is such a good show. Like, not only are you gonna fall in love with Jordan, but you're gonna fall in love with Spencer. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys could please like, comment, and subscribe. Please push that bell button so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching.